Hi guys, today we'll talk about how to fix or how to solve the problem of eToro app. You can go to settings. Here you can go to apps, default apps, app settings. On above you can search about eToro app and you can click. Here in this page of app info you can click on first stop and you can click OK. Then you will enter to the window of storage. Here you can click on clear cache, but pay attention, don't click clear data because that can delete your account. In the end you can turn off your phone and you can turn on your phone again to fix that problem. So please don't forget to support us by like and subscribe. See you next time in another video and thank you for your attention.